Good morning children, welcome to class 5 social studies. Today we are going to start with a new lesson, weather and climate children. Okay, weather and climate. So in everyday news or in newspaper you will be seeing the weather news children. Okay, so they will give the information that whether it is going to rain today or it is going to be very hot or it's going to be windy or cloudy, like that they will give in weather news children. In mobile also you have the apps to know about whether it will rain, what would be the temperature of that particular place, like that everything details you can get it children. So we will come to know what is weather and climate in this lesson children. Okay, so first, what is a weather? Now observe in a place children. See, we are staying in Vidyaranyapuram. So observe this morning how it is, by afternoon how it is, evening and then in the night. So depending on the seasons, okay, so what happens? So sometimes it may be a very hot day, or if you observe these times, by afternoon it starts raining. So the particular place, the weather changes children. So morning it will be sunny, but in the afternoon you will get rain. Yes? So how is it possible? This is because of the weather condition prevailing or taking place, okay, in that particular location children. Okay? We can define this. So weather is a condition of the atmosphere. So we know that the earth have an atmosphere children. That is a layer of air, mixture of gases are there. So that is your layer of air, that is called your atmosphere. Earth is the only planet children that is having this type of atmosphere. That's why we are able to get rain children. It extends up to nearly 50 kilometers. Okay. So it is a condition of the atmosphere over a short period at a given place. As I told you with an example, no? So we are living in Vidyaranyapuram. Morning we have one type of weather, by afternoon we have one type of weather, by evening another weather. Okay. So that's why they have given condition of the atmosphere over a short period at a given place. These things all over the world in the planet Earth it will be happening children. Okay, every place will not have the same weather. That one you should get it in your mind. So what are the factors affecting the weather? Okay, in a place, how the weather is being affected by. So it is first by air temperature. Okay children, how that place receives the sunlight. Mainly the clouds also children. So more thick clouds are there means the sun's rays have to penetrate and come to that particular place. So it will be cloudy over there. So air temperature. The next one, air pressure children. So how the air is having pressure. Okay. So based on that also. And then wind. So the winds will be blowing all over the children. Okay, the wind will be moving. They carry the clouds children. Okay. So the wind also affects the weather of a particular place. Then next, humidity. Humidity means, see, just we are feeling the space over here. But in that also children, water or moisture content will be there. So humidity means the amount of moisture, okay, moisture is your water content present in the air, okay, that is humidity. Okay, here in Bangalore we will have less humidity children, but imagine a place like Mangaluru or Chennai where the sea is very near, no, that humidity will be more children. Okay, humidity means amount of moisture content in the air. The next one is your rainfall children. Okay, so it is if it is a normal day and if it rains means your temperature will go down and you feel it cool children. that time. Okay. So these 5 factors children: air temperature, air pressure, wind, humidity and rainfall. Okay. So these conditions affect the weather. The next one children is climate. Okay. Climate. We tell that is example we will take for Delhi children. In summer Delhi will be extreme hot. But in winter, the Delhi will be extreme cold. So you would have heard about Rajasthan. So that is a, you have the famous Thar desert in that children. So that also will have a hot climate. So how you can tell for a climate means, see, average weather conditions, average, it's not a like for a 5 days or a 10 days like that. It's an average weather conditions present over a large area children. Okay. So when we take for Rajasthan, there you have a hot climate. Okay. Then you go near the this one Mangaluru region, as it is near the seaside, they will also have a like a seaside, that climate they will face. So this average weather conditions present over a large area and long period of time. Okay, a long period of time like 30 years or 40 years like that, the place or that location will have the same climate children. So understand the difference between weather and climate. Whether it is for a short period of time on that particular day at a particular location, but this climate is weather conditions present over a large area and a long period of time. It can be hot, dry, cold. Okay. So in the last year and all you would have learned this Maineswaram children, the world largest rainfall receiving region. Okay, it is in India only, it is in the tropical region only. Still it gets more rain, but in the interiors of Madhya Pradesh or Odisha or Rajasthan side, they are not getting the same amount of rain children. That is a difference. So difference in the climatic conditions arises, gives the 4 seasons children: summer, winter, autumn and spring. So you already know about this 4 seasons children. Because of this climatic condition changes only, you give rise to 4 seasons. They are summer, winter, autumn and spring children. Okay. So take it children, take your textbook and read it. Understand the difference between weather and climate. Okay. See you in the next class children. Thank you.